Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to update VLC Media Player to the latest version step by step. Keeping VLC updated gives you access to new features, better performance, security improvements, and important bug fixes. So let's get started. First, open VLC Media Player on your computer. Once the program is running, click the Help menu at the top of the window, then select Check for Updates. VLC will automatically search to see if a newer version is available. If an update is found, you'll see a notification with the latest version information. Click Yes or Download to begin downloading the update. Depending on your internet connection, this may take a few moments to complete. After the download finishes, follow the on-screen installation instructions. In most cases, you can keep the default settings and continue through the setup wizard. The installer will update your existing version without affecting your media files or playlists. Once the installation is complete, restart VLC Media Player if prompted. After reopening the application, you can check the version again through the Help menu to confirm that the update was installed successfully. If the automatic update option isn't available or doesn't work, you can always visit the official VLC Media Player website, download the latest installer, and install it manually over your current version. And that's it. You now know how to update VLC Media Player to the latest version quickly and easily. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.